GMC today introduced the 2022 Hummer EV Edition 1, a first of its kind supertruck developed to forge new paths with zero emissions. It will be the first fully electric addition to GMC's lineup, driven by next generation EV propulsion technology that enables unprecedented off-road capability, extraordinary on-road performance, and an immense driving experience designed to put occupants at the center of every moment. Highlights of available features include segment-exclusive four-wheel steering featuring crab walk, adaptive air suspension with available segment-leading extract mode capability, 35-inch OD Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, underbody armor, ultravision, off-road widgets. The Edition 1 highlights include 3-motor E4-wheel drive system that will offer the equivalent of GM estimated 1,000 horsepower and GM estimated 11,500 foot-pounds of torque, 800-volt DC public fast charging capability of up to 350 kilowatts, 24-module double-stacked GM estimated 350 plus miles of driving range, and the latest version of Super Cruise.